Hello viewers, I am Rikila Srijesh from ZeroWeb. My last video was about chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. In that I have explained how to form linear equations and various methods for solving linear equations in one variable. In this video I am going to discuss about the exercise 2.1 of chapter 2. There are 12 questions in exercise 2.1. We are going to solve each questions one by one using inverse method as well as transpose method. Let us start solving questions. First question, solve the following equations. So we are going to discuss all the questions in inverse method as well as transpose method. First question is x minus 2 equal to 7. In inverse method, how can we solve this question? Now, in order to keep the variable in LHS, we have to eliminate this minus 2, isn't it? So, we have to add 2 in both sides of the equation. What will come? Answer? It's minus 2 plus 2 equal to 7 plus 2, right? Now this 2 will cancel out, which is equal to 9. X equal to 9 is the solution for this equation using inverse method. And here in transpose method, how can we solve? X minus 2 equal to 7 is the equation. Here, in order to eliminate this minus 2, we have to transpose this minus 2 into RHS by adding it. Here the operation is minus, so we have to transpose it by adding it. So the equation will come x equal to 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. This is the solution. The second question is y plus 3 equal to 10. Here the excess term is plus 3. We have to eliminate this. Using inverse method, we have to subtract 3 from both the side of the equation. Y plus 3 minus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 3. So 3 will get cancelled, then remains 5. Y equal to 7 is the solution. Here, using transpose method, y plus 3 equal to 10 is the equation. In order to eliminate this plus 3, we have to transpose this plus 3 into RHS by subtracting it. Then equation become y equal to 10 minus 3. Answer is 7. Now, third question, 6 equal to z plus 2. Here you can see that the variable is in the right hand side of the equation. So, we have to eliminate this plus 2 from RHS, right? So, we can eliminate this plus 2 by subtracting 2 from both the sides of the equation using inverse method. So, the equation becomes 6 minus 2, which is equal to z plus 2 minus 2. Here it would become 4 and z, here 2 cancels out, then z equal to 4 is the solution using inverse method. And using transpose method, 6 equal to z plus 2, how can we solve? Here, to keep the variable in RHS, we have to transpose this plus 2 into left hand side. So this equation becomes 6 minus 2, which is equal to z. So 6 minus 2 is 4, that is z equal to 4. Fourth question is 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. From here you can see that the excess term in the LHS is 3 by 7. We have to eliminate this 3 by 7. So using inverse method, how can we solve this? We can subtract 3 by 7 from both the sides of the equation. So the equation becomes minus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus x, which is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. From both sides we have subtracted 3 by 7. 3 by 7 will get cancelled, then what will be left? X. And in right side what will happen? This is subtraction of rational numbers, right? So here the denominator is same, so we can directly we can do the subtraction in numerator. So 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7, right? Which is equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. And using transpose method, same equation. Using transpose method, how can we do? We can transpose this x system 3 by 7 as minus 3 by 7. Right? It will come 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So directly we can subtract because the denominators are equal. So 17 minus 3 is 14 by 2, which is equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution of this equation using transpose method. And here next question, fifth question is 6x equal to 12. Here we have to eliminate the coefficient of x. Right? Coefficient of x is 6. 6 we have to eliminate. For that, in inverse method, we have to divide both the sides of equation by 6. So the equation becomes 6x divided by 6 equal to 12 by 6. This 6 will get cancelled. So x equal to 12 by 6 is 2. 2 is the solution. In transpose method, 6x equal to 12, how can we solve? Here the coefficient of x is 6. We have to eliminate this 6 by transposing it into the RHS right hand side as divided by 6. So it would become 2, x equal to 2. Sixth question is t by 5 equal to 10. So in order to eliminate this divided by 5, the operation is division. So we have to multiply both the sides of the equation by 5. It becomes 5 into t by 5, which is equal to 10 by 10 into 5. Right? So this will get cancelled. So t equal to 50 would be the solution. And in transpose method, t by 5 equal to 10. We have to eliminate this 1 by 5. That is, this 5 we have to eliminate from here, from the denominator. So we can do the inverse operation by transposing it into RHS. So it would become t equal to 10 into 5, which is equal to 50. T equal to 50. Next question is 2x divided by 3 equal to 18. So in order to eliminate this coefficient of x2 by 3, we have to multiply it by its inverse. Inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Then what will you get? 2 by 3 into x into 3 by 2. And so when we are multiplying any number in one side, then we have to do the same in other side also. 18 into 3 by 2. So these two will get cancelled. 3 and 2 will get cancelled. And here what will remain? 9. 2 in 18, 9. And 9 3s are 27. So x equal to 27 is the solution of this equation. And using transpose method, how can we solve this? 2x by 3 equal to 18. We have to eliminate 2 and 3 from numerator and denominator as well. So first we can eliminate 3 by transposing it into the right hand side as multiplied by 3. Then you will get the answer as 8 3s are 24, 4, 1 3s are 3 plus 2, 5, 54. 2x equal to 54. Again we have to eliminate the coefficient of x2, right? So how can we eliminate it? That is, this 2 will transpose into the right hand side as divided by 2, which is equal to 27. Next question, 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. So here the numbers are decimals. Okay, in the case of decimals also this inverse and transpose method will hold. So here we have to keep the variable y in right hand side and we have to eliminate this 1.5. For that we can multiply both sides by 1.5, isn't it? So 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y by 1.5 into 1.5. So this will get cancelled. So in right hand side only y will remain, and 1.6 into 1.5 is, first you have to multiply 16 into 15, it is 240, right? 240. But here you can see that after decimal 2 digits are there. So we have to put a point after 2 decimals. Then here value is y equal to 2.4. Now we have to solve this equation using transpose method. The equation is 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. In order to eliminate this 1.5 from RHS, we have to transpose it into LHS as multiplication. Then the equation becomes 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y. That is 1.6 into 1.5 is 2.40, which is equal to y. That is y equal to 2.4 is the solution. Our ninth question is 7x minus 9 equal to 16. We have to eliminate this 9, so that we have to add a 9 on both the sides of equation. Then the equation becomes 7x minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 9. Here 9 will cancels out. The remaining 7x equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Again you can say that you have to eliminate 7. For that we have to divide both the sides of equation by 7. Then you will get, this one will get cancelled, then you will get x equal to 25 by 7. That's the solution. And in transpose method, how can we solve this? 7x minus 9 equal to 16. In order to eliminate this 9, we have to transpose this into the RHS as addition. Then the equation becomes 7x equal to 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. Right? That is, now the equation is 7x equal to 25. Here again we have to eliminate this 7 by transposing this into RHS as divided by 7. So x equal to 25 by 7 is the solution. 10th question is 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Here we have to eliminate this minus 8 by adding plus 8 on both sides, right? So the equation becomes 14y minus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 13 plus 8. Here this will get cancelled. Then 14y equal to 21. 13 plus 8, 21. Here again we have to eliminate 14, which is the coefficient of y. So in order to eliminate this 14 from the LHS, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 14. Right? So here this will get cancelled out. So y equal to 21 by 14. 7 goes in 14 2 times, 7 in 21 3 times. So the answer is 3 by 2. Now we have to solve this same equation using transpose method. It's equal to 30. We have to eliminate this minus 8 by transposing it into RHS by adding 8. So the equation becomes 14y equal to 13 minus 13 plus 8, right, which is equal to 21. That is, now the equation is 14y equal to 21. Again we have to eliminate the coefficient of y 14. This 14 we can eliminate by transposing it into RHS by dividing by 14. So the equation becomes y equal to 21 by 14, which is equal to, again 7 will goes in 14 2 times and 3 times in 21. Answer is 3 by 2. Our 11th question is 17 plus 6p equal to 9. Here we have to eliminate 17 from LHS. For eliminating 17, we have to subtract 17 on both sides of the equation. Then equation becomes 6p, 17 plus 6p minus 17, which is equal to 9 minus 17. These two will get cancelled. Now 6p equal to minus 8. And p equal to, we can eliminate this 6 by dividing by 6 on both sides of the equation. 6p divided by 6 minus 8 divided by 6. Then this will get cancelled. Then p equal to, here 2 will goes in 6 3 times and 2 will goes in 8 4 times. So the answer is minus 4 by 3. And how can we solve using transpose method? Equal to 9. Here we can eliminate this 17 by transposing it into right hand side as minus 17. So the equation becomes 6p equal to 9 minus 17, which is equal to minus 8. Right, 6p equal to minus 8. Again we can transpose the 6 into RHS by dividing by 6. Then the value will become again minus 4 by 3. Our 12th question is x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. Here we have to eliminate 1 first. So that we have to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Then the equation becomes x by 3 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Here this 1 will get cancelled. So the equation becomes x by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus this 1, we can write it as 1 divided by 1, isn't it? Any natural number we can write in the rational form. So this 1 we can express as 1 divided by 1. Now take the LCM of 1 and 15. It is 15. So in 15 it will goes 1 time. So 1 into 7 is 7 minus 1 goes in 15 times. So 15 into 1 is 15. So the answer is minus 8 divided by 15. Right? So this is x by 3. Isn't it? So now how can we eliminate this 3? This 3 we can eliminate by multiplying on both sides of the equation by 3. Then what you will get? Minus 8 divided by 15 into 3. This 3 will get cancelled and here 3 undergoes in 15 5 times. So that what would be our equation? x equal to minus 8 divided by 5. And in transpose method, what will come? X by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. We can transpose this 1 into RHS by subtracting it, then it will come x by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Again, we can take LCM as 15, then it would become 7 minus 15, which is equal to minus 8 by 15, isn't it? Yes. And we can transpose this 3 into RHS by multiplying by 3. Here it becomes minus 8 by 5. These are the all questions from exercise 2.1. In the next video, we will discuss about exercise 2.2. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.